everybody, this is Stacy. I am back with a little show and tell for you today. I had decided this month that I was going to send out some happy mail. I've been wanting to do that for a really long time, and I thought since this is February, which is Valentine's month, that I would send out some little Valentines to some girlfriends of mine. Anyways, and I just thought that would be fun. You know, when you were a kid, you would go into, your class with your teacher on Valentine's Day, and it would be so exciting to pass out your Valentines and, get some in return and that kind of thing. So anyways, I thought this would just kind of be a fun little thing to do. I designed some stuff, and since I thought it would be fun for me to do it, and I kind of designed everything on the computer, I thought, you know what, why not upload it to Etsy? See if anybody else wants to, send some Valentine happy mail. And actually, it's not necessarily Valentine's, but it is love themed for February, so you could use it, whenever. Don't even have to use it in February. But anyways, I will show you what I put together here. So this is the little package that I put together. I wrapped it up in a little glassine bag and tied some baker's twine around it, and I made these little tickets. Words are hard today, guys. Words are hard. I made these little tickets, and then I just embossed this little shape here and cut out the word love. Let me see. Let me get you a better view here. Cut out the word love and glued that on here. But there's the back. So anyways, what I started out with was just a little letter. And mine does say Valentine's, but if you go to my Etsy store, I have left Valentine's out of the letter, and also, of course, my signature at the bottom. But it starts off with, "Hello, girlfriend. Lucille Ball once said, 'Love yourself first, and everything falls into line.' Sometimes life gets so busy we need a reminder to do just that. This is your reminder. I hope this Valentine Happy Mail made you smile today." And then XOXO Stacy. And then I put a kind of a list of things that I put in the envelope. So the Happy Mail stuff is a bookmark to remind you, a little quote from Pooh, a few notes to say you're awesome, and a postcard to someone special from you. I will show you exactly what that is. So when you pull this stuff out of the little envelope, here is a little bookmark that I designed with the quote on it. "Love yourself first and everything falls into line, Lucille Ball." So I don't know if you can see that. But these are all printable and cut out, and you can style them any way you want to. And then here's a quote from Winnie the Pooh. It's the "How do you spell love?" Piglet's asking, "How do you spell love?" And Pooh says, "You don't smell it, you feel it." And then, of course, the author and where it's from at the bottom. And I just printed these out on vellum, and I made a cute little tag out of it. Then I did some little kind of encouragement notes that you can put, or the recipient can put anywhere. And I printed them out on the Post-it notes. So, and I'll show you all of them in a minute. And then the very last thing is a little postcard I did. It says, "Someone sent you happy mail, much better than a text." And then when you flip it over, you can write who it's to and put your stamp. And it says, "Just a little note to say, I think about you every day. Side by side or far apart, I keep you always in my heart." So that is the little postcard that the recipient can send to a friend and just kind of pay it forward and, spread some more little happy mail. Anyway, so I will leave the link to this below in my Etsy store. Of course, the extras aren't included. This is just kind of showing a way how to style, how you can kind of wrap things up and send it. And then I made my own custom envelopes for this, so I could put everything in. And so I'll leave the link below. And also, let me show you quickly how this comes printed out. So for this, it comes printed out. There's two 5x7 letters on a sheet. Then the postcards, I shrunk the postcards down to a smaller size. Right. If you don't churn it or resize it, it'll print out a large postcard across the top. Do I have a copy of that? No, I don't. Anyways, it'll print out a large postcard across the top, and then the back, you know, you can print that on the back. And then the bookmarks print out this way. Oh, and it's better to print these out on what is it, matte photo paper, because the colors are a lot sharper. So this one I printed out on matte photo paper. The color is a lot richer and a lot better to print it out on the matte photo paper. So anyway, so this comes like this. There's a sheet of 4 bookmarks, and then there is a sheet of 3 of the quotes, and you can resize them and print them out on anything that you want to. And then the little encouragement Post-its, or the little encouragement sayings, they come on a sheet of paper, and let me show you. So they come like this, and you can print them out on a sheet of paper first, and then if they kind of stick up at the bottom, you just put some washi tape down. That way they don't drag across your print nozzles and get you know, get the ink everywhere. So the washi tape comes off the Post-it notes, easy, but not off the paper. And so after you print it out, you just, obviously, you center these over and you run it back through the printer the same way you ran it in the printer the first time. But anyway, so these are the sayings, and this is how it comes. So there's 5 PDFs total. I'm sure you read the quotes. You are amazing. You got this. You are loved. So much awesome. No worries, and kick butt. So I thought that was cute and funny. Anyway, so yeah, this got me thinking, you know, why not share this if anybody is interested? And then I started thinking about all those companies that they do this for people. They will send letters, they will send cards and all of that, but they charge a pretty hefty fee in some cases. So I thought, why not make something that you can print out yourself for like a quarter to the third of the cost, and you know, you can change it up any way you want to. You can put it in any kind of envelopes. You can add a few more things to it. So I'm going to be adding things regularly, kind of little Happy Mail kits to send out. And so yeah, so anyways, I wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of the next one. You kind of get the theme of it by looking at this, I think. This is a photo that I took at our local beach here in Florida. And the quote on here is from Jules Verne. So if you've watched the video, the junk journal video of the Jules Verne one, you recognize the quote. It says, "The sea is everything. It covers 7/10 of the terrestrial globe. Its breath is pure and healthy. It's an immense desert where man is never lonely, for he feels life stirring on all sides." And I just love that quote. So you can kind of guess the theme on the next one, and I'm almost done with it, so that will be posted soon. And when it goes up, I will give you guys an update. Also, I've been working on a lot of things at the same time, obviously this, but I also have a sneak peek of my next junk journal. I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but I am going to show you the cover, if we can get the glare out. So here is a little scene that I painted on the cover of the journal. Wanted to make it look like an old oil painting. And so I painted this on the cover, and it is all nice and sealed and everything and shiny, so it does look more like an old oil painting. And of course it wraps all the way around. My camera is really low today, so, but you can kind of see that there. And when I am done with this, I will also come back and show you all the finished product. But anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you have a fantastic week since it is Monday today. So everybody have a great week. And I will see you back here real soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.